So, slap.
As you guys have already seen, we've had a game of slaps before. So.
And this is, well, a dark video. Because we're dark. Crazy motherfuckers.
Yeah, again, we're dark, but we're listening to Creed.
Shit!
Creed,
Dog!
Christian
Dog!
Rockman.
Dog!
my
Dog!
sacrifice.
Dog!
My
Dog!
sacrifice.
Shit! Shit!
My sacrifice.
Shit! Dog! Lots of dog! Lots of dog!
Los tres
Fucking
come to
dog!
you.
Lots of dog!
Next back,
Lots
we're
of
gonna
dog!
slap. So,
Reload!
That's 4.
Reload!
That's 5, baby.
Yes!
Go back to Doctor's head. You
Hang on,
collect
these
everything that you
shit.
can, baby. That's it.
They're all fucking style. Look.
Okay,
they're
bro.
really
Oh
cute.
shit, I'm sorry, we got a video, bro.
We got a video.
I know, I'm saying about how to fucking play Borderlands.
You can see, they can see.
Right,
They can
right,
see
right,
the
yeah.
third guest in the room, motherfuckers!
Where does this even go on to?
Just pause it. While she's drinking that fish right here. You got a fish first, right?
Are you ready for slaps? Because I'm
Well,
fucking
it's
not.
really
I'm not prepared to fucking talk, man.
Because it's where you want to be.
Shut up, I'm just gonna shut up.
Who's doing it first?
Me.
Oh, you bastard. You're smiling. The horse gives it. Ow! Fuck!
Oh, you.
Bitch!
Yeah.
That's what
You made me go deaf!
Again! Again!
This is a bit of a depression.
Flinch! Motherfucker! Flinch again! 4 times, motherfucker! Oh! 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 Fuck my wells and Judy!
You know how dumb she's fucking died.
Oh no! You motherfucking cunt!
Is it even recorded?
Yeah, it is.
I told you to fucking plug it in.
It's still recording.
I told you to plug it in now.
It's still fucking chill. It's still recording. Ah! Like a horse.
Right, injured ladies going for a piss.
This motherfucker! Oh.
You fucking put your arm out.
Alright, hang on, wait.
And again.
Oh, fuck my life. Forgot my lunch, I forgot my lunch. Oh, twice. Oh, fuck.
That's a fucking shot.
I forgot my lunch. Oh, no, I didn't. I had to early. I'm supposed to slap you.
I know, I just still flinched.
That's not
So
fair.
when it goes to double shots.
Yeah. Oh, let me get my breath back. Oh, that's what she said. Afterwards, gagging her with my cock.
Just get done with. Fuck! Remember, I got a double shot because of that one.
Yeah. Oh, fuck my life. Oh, fucking cunt bollocking shit.
Shit, cunt of a flange. Trout face nag. And I don't fucking care if you're in this bitch. Fucking trout face.
Don't choke on it.
Let's
it
go.
won't hurt.
She did after us. Alright, nearly.
Oh. Oh, I'm actually going pure death.
Ow! Ow, my stomach hurts from laughing.
That's not fucking right. Stop.
Baby.
That's it.
Alright.
Oh.